Hi, I'm Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. Would you plant a seed today and then come out tomorrow? And if you didn't have a plant, would you dig that seed up, throw it away, and plant another one? Well, I can confidently tell you it just doesn't work that way. You prepare the soil, you plant your seed, and you protect that area. You make sure it gets water and sunlight. And when the weeds come up, and they will, because those weeds don't give a care that you planted a seed, you pull those weeds up gently so that you don't dislodge your tender sprouting seed. And then one day you'll see the tiniest hint of growth. And when you do, you continue to protect it. You continue to water it and feed it, and you continue to pull those weeds. And then one day you'll have a nice, strong, healthy plant that pretty much on its own is able to deter the growth of those weeds. The seed is your hopes, your dreams, your desires for your life and your well-being. And you are the master gardener. Consider honoring the process. Consider learning to value, nurture, encourage, and protect your dreams. Consider learning to love and honor and value and encourage yourself. And as you do so, you'll grow nice, strong, healthy plants. The most amazing experience you will ever have is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video. And remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.